Hey, what's up everybody? Joshua Casper back at you with another video tutorial. Today we're checking out Riffer by AudioModern. This is a great plugin that makes melodies for you, or at least gives you really good ideas of where to go. You can easily export the MIDI or record the MIDI and then go ahead and manipulate at your heart's content. But this is really great at generating ideas. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'll show you how to set it up inside Ableton Live and then get started using this plugin. So what I have here is VPS Avenger on one channel, and I got a second channel right here. I'm going to drop Riffer on it, and then I'm going to use the MIDI in here for VPS Avenger and go Riffer and then Riffer. And if I go ahead and arm that track and hit this randomize button inside of Riffer, we should get some melody happening via VPS Avenger triggered by Riffer. So already it sounds really great. What's cool is we got all of these different scales inside of here. If I want to go for something harmonic minor or melodic minor, and if I want to go for like F melodic minor, you'll see that it's automatically updated right here. Very cool. And if I want to use less notes, I could just come over here to this part right here and bring it down to 8, for example. So this tie notes, if there are notes that are next to each other, it will make them a sustained note for the period of whatever it is. So here, instead of a 16th note, it becomes an 8th note. So, I mean, that's how easy it is to start generating stuff. Let's listen to it with some drums. And if I wanted to go up an octave, I could just come down here. And what's cool is whenever I randomize, it will only randomize in the grid that I see right here. So I can actually zoom out and get more of the grid, and I can pull it down and then hit randomize. I can choose to go backwards or ping pong it. Really great stuff. I can choose the length and the loop length. I could put a shuffle on it, put a shift on it if I wanted to, so move it over. Change the quantization. Lots and lots can be done. I just wanted to share that with you real quick on how easy it is to get things cooking. Let's come into VPS Avenger and change the patch. Let's change it to, I don't know, something like this. What is... So you notice that maybe this one isn't really triggering. That's because when you randomize, it actually randomizes the duration of the note, how long it's going to be played, and the volume. So if you come over here, the volume for this note is actually pretty much off. So you're going to randomize that. However, if you wanted to like draw in something like this and then lock down that feature, and when you hit randomize, you'll see back there that the notes are randomizing, the duration is randomizing as well, but the volume is staying the same. So you can easily lock stuff down. You can do that the same with duration and the pitch as well. So you see, this is actually longer notes. Down here is shorter notes. So that's another reason why you might not be hearing something. So if If you can't hear something and you're not sure what's going on, you want to check your note duration as well as the volume. You can also come in here and adjust them all at the same time, which is also a useful feature. And if you want to export the MIDI, all you got to do is click and drag and drop. And look at that. It's already exported. So if you come in something you kind of like and you want to keep randomizing, you can easily just drag and drop that set or that clip, drag it into your project, and save it for later. So a really great device. It's really great for generating ideas very quickly. I'm going to leave links to it in the video description, and I hope you learned something. This is Riffer by AudioModern. I'm Joshua Casper, and I'll see you in the next video.